TikTok videos go viral every single time. People are creating an abundance of these videos daily, racking up an enormous amount of views and making money effortlessly. You have to just select an interesting niche and interestingly make videos. In today's video, I am going to share a new niche and make videos with it. So, without further ado, let's dive in. This channel is the only one I could find that's related to this niche. Take a closer look. They've uploaded a total of 150 videos. Each video has over 60,000 views, with some even surpassing 1 million views. What's impressive is that all these videos are longer than 1 minute, meaning they're all monetized through the TikTok creativity program. Now the question is, on which topic they are making videos? They are making videos on the what if topic. For example, what if the oil is finished from the world? Today we will make videos on this topic. Let's follow the steps. First of all, we need a script to make any video. To generate the script, I will use ChatGPT. After logging in, come to the prompt box and type this prompt. You will find the prompt in our description server. I will put the link in the description box. After joining the AI Ninja Discord server, come to the prompt guide channel and find the what if video prompt. You have to just change the topic name and starting point of the video to generate a script on another topic. Alright, our script is ready. Now we will make a video with this script. Before that, let's generate a voiceover with the narration text. To do that, I will use 11 Labs. After coming to the 11 Labs homepage, select a voice actor and then paste the script here. Now you can customize the voice setting. Set the voice stability and other settings. After that, hit the generate button and our script is ready.
What if all mosquitoes disappear from the earth? First, let's talk about the upside.
Now download the voiceover on your device. Okay, our voiceover is ready. Now we will make the actual video. Many are suggesting generating images on platforms like Leonardo AI and then editing them with a video editor. I will use an AI-powered video editor called CapCut and its stock materials to generate the video. You can use the web version, but I will use the desktop version. After coming to the CapCut video editor, import the voiceover into the timeline. After that, come to the stock materials tab from here. Here you will find more than 3 million stock videos and images. Search for your desired keyword to find the related videos or images. In my case, it's mosquito. Now we will add related videos and images to the timeline. Another important part, we have to set the aspect ratio of the video. As I am making the video for TikTok, I will set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Note adjust the video size according to the frame. Another thing, we have to make the video fast-paced. So, I will increase the speed of the video and split it after 3 or 4 seconds. In this way, add related videos and images on the timeline until the end of the voiceover. Alright, our visual materials are ready. Now I will add animation to all the video clips to make the video more interesting. Select the first video clip and then go to the right side setting. Select animation from here. There are 3 options: in, out, and combo. Come to the combo tab. Here you will find various types of animation combo. Select from them and add to the video clips one by one. After that, you can add filters to the video from the filter tab. I will add effects instead of filters. On the effects tab, you will find a vast number of effects. Select one or more effects from here. After adding the filter, adjust the length according to the full video. Okay, now let's add captions to our video. To do that, I will use the CapCut Auto Caption feature. Come to the Text tab and then select the Auto Caption option. Now select the video language and then hit the Create button. And here it is, our caption is ready. Now we need to customize it to make it visually appealing. The good news is that you can select from the templates. There are a vast number of caption templates available here. Select one of them. That's great. Okay, now one last thing, we have to add background music. You can add BGM from the CapCut music library, but I will use it from Pixabay. After adding the music clip, adjust the volume and length. After all is set, hit the export button. Change the name and click on export from here. Now it will take some time to render the video. Let's first forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's enjoy the video.
What if all mosquitoes disappear from the Earth? First, let's talk about the upside. No more annoying, itchy bites to deal with. Diseases like malaria, Zika, and dengue wouldn't spread as easily. That could save millions of lives. But removing mosquitoes has a downside. Mosquitoes are a food source for many animals, like birds and bats. Their disappearance could disrupt the food chain and impact biodiversity. Mosquitoes also pollinate plants. Without them, some plants might struggle to reproduce. However, there might be less breeding in stagnant water, improving water quality. Overall, the disappearance of mosquitoes could bring benefits, but it may also disrupt ecosystems. It's important to balance the good and bad to protect our planet.
In this way, you can generate what-if videos for your TikTok account. Alright friends, I will wrap up this video. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating TikTok videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.